So I made my very first purchase off of TikTok a while back. It's a filtered handheld shower head. And I'm about to install it. Now the shower head I currently have works fine. I got it from Walmart a couple of years ago, but the water pressure isn't very good on it. And according to the videos that I saw on TikTok for that other shower head, it's supposed to be more powerful with the water, so I'll test it out and see, get my review on it. Also, I need to get me a new bath mat. The other one I had seen its better days. And also I need to get me a new liner for my shower curtain. It got a lot of scum on it over the years. I think it'd just be better to get a new one than try to clean it. Welcome. It is Thursday, November 7th, 2024. Now I will have to get a new wrench. The one I have is too small to complete the task. So I'm going to have to go by Home Depot and get me an adjustable wrench. Also, I need to stop by Target to get the bath mat and the liner for the shower curtain. But I do have to work today, so after work, I'll stop by and get those things and install the shower head and see if it lives up to the hype. So join me if you will. Will you? Hi ho, it's off to work I go. Well, today is Thursday. Monday is Veterans Day, so I get a 3-day weekend. Looking forward to that. But yeah, this is my very first purchase from TikTok, so I was a little leery about purchasing something off of TikTok, but went ahead and did it. Got it in the mail. It's been sitting around for a little while. I think it was about 14, 15 bucks. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out and see if it's what it's all cracked up to be. Made it through another work day. Yeah, with this time change at 6 o'clock when I get off of work, it is pretty dark. Alright, I'm going to head over to Target first and then to Home Depot. Hitting the Target, or the Arget, whatever. Alright, so they have these lightweight shower liners for $3, so that's a pretty good deal. I guess this is what I need. Actually, they have these mid-weight shower stall liners, or the heavyweight. Might get me one of these instead. It's $10 for the heavyweight and $6 for the midweight. Might get the heavyweight one. And they got these bathtub shower mats here. This is $5, so yeah, I'll get this one. This'll do. Alright, that's going to do it for Target, and I'm going to head over to the Home Depot. Alright, got the bath mat and got the shower liner. Now for the adjustable wrench. The Home Depot. Alright, this is what I'm looking for right here. I don't need anything really expensive, just a cheap adjustable wrench. They do have quite a bit. Just looking for a cheap one. Alright, that's pretty much what I need. About 15 bucks. Hex Jaw, best fit stronghold. Alright, now to get home and install the new shower head. Alright, so I got the goods. It's not actually a wrench, it's adjustable pliers. But I mean, this should do the trick. And I got the tub mat and the heavyweight shower liner. So I'm going to do the easy stuff first. I'm going to put the mat in and then switch out the liner. Alright, so it says clean bathtub surface before installing bath mat. So I already did clean out my tub. And then rinse bath mat and lightly wet bottom of bathtub. Place bath mat into position with suction cups facing down. Alright, simple enough. What I like about this mat is it has these holes in it for drainage. My other mat didn't have that. So that's pretty cool. So now I gotta replace this dirty shower liner curtain with the new one. Yeah, that's pretty disgusting. Now to put on the new one. Alright, got the last hook here. Simple enough. Nice and clean. What I noticed about this one, it has these suction cups. You can just stick it to the tile here. And there's some more down here. And also on this side. And now time for the hex jaw. So yeah, this is the one I got from Walmart a couple of years ago. Like I said, it's okay for what it is. I was just having trouble getting this part off here. That's why I needed the wrench or the pliers. Alright, that was simple enough. So this was my very first purchase ever off of TikTok, off the TikTok store. This filtered handheld shower head. I was constantly seeing the videos of how much power this thing had with the water pressure. The one I got from Walmart didn't have that much pressure, so I wanted something a little bit stronger. So this is what we're dealing with. And I think it was about 14, 15 bucks if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I bought it. It's been sitting around. I've been meaning to install it, but just never got around to it until now. So yeah, just your basic shower head. Alright, let's get it installed. Alright, I wrapped it up some more. Alright, I get that pretty tight. Now I'm just gonna connect the shower head. Alright, got that nice and tight. So let's test her out. Alright, so here's the finished product. I'm going to turn her on and see how it goes. Flip the switch here on the back. Alright. I don't know if you can really see it. And then you turn the switch here. So I mean, it just has these two settings. So it looks like it has some decent pressure. I mean, I think it's cool for what it is. I just wish it had some more settings on it, but yeah, it's just this one and this one. I mean, for 14, 15 bucks, not bad. I'm happy with it. So yeah, I got the new bath mat, got the shower liner curtain here, and the new shower head. So yeah, there you have it, the filtered handheld shower head. I mean, it is what it is. It's a shower head. Enjoy shower moment. Like I said, it just has the 2 settings. I wish it had more settings on it, but it seems like it has a pretty decent power of water that comes out of it. I thought it'd be a little bit more powerful than that, but like I said, for 14, 15 bucks, not bad. Alright, well that's going to do it for my video. As always, thanks for watching. Be safe, be kind, and stay caffeinated. And stay clean too.